To install the storage bags on your RZR 200, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Next, remove and retain the 2 push-pin rivets behind the desired seat. The storage bag can be installed behind the driver or passenger seat. Then, place the bag behind the seat where the ROPS bar meets the main ROPS hoop, and ensure the side strap is facing the ROPS. Continue by using the hook and loop straps to secure the bag to the ROPS. Next, reach inside the bag and reinstall the 2 push-pin rivets through the holes in the bottom of the bag. Finally, verify the bag is secure. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.